Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to another lesson, how to make a paradiddle groove part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, check that one out first, because today we're diving into the inverted paradiddle, where the double stroke is actually in the middle. So if you're like most drummers, you've probably been practicing your paradiddle on the snare, maybe you've moved some accents around, but that's kind of it, right? You've practiced it as a warm-up or as a technique exercise, and just a rudiment, which you don't use while you're playing. Not true. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually make your paradiddles groove. Make it funky, make it groovy, right? Make it feel good. Because that's actually what drumming is about, right? Just making things feel good. So let's dive right in. Today we're playing the inverted paradiddle, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. And to start with, we're moving our right hand to the floor tom, playing our left hand on the snare drum, and only playing the backbeat as an accent. Now when that feels comfortable, you're also going to move your left hand. And we're going to move our left hand double stroke first to the high tom. But we're not going to move both double strokes. If you see it as a one bar groove, we're only going to move it the second time around the inverted paradiddle. Now, once that also feels comfortable, we're going to move a few more left hands. And the only hits that are going to be on the snare is the first double stroke and the backbeats. The rest is going to move around the drum kit, creating an amazing melody around the toms. Let's check it out. Now let's give that groove a little bit more punch, put that bass drum underneath it on every quarter note. Sounds pretty groovy, right? I'm super excited about this groove. I love it. I hope it works for you. Please take your time, practice it slow, take your time learning this pattern, and then in the next video, we'll dive into the third paradiddle, making a groove. See you in the next one.